Hey, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel TechGrantha. Today I'm just making the special video for everyone. Like we completed successfully the 10,000 views on your YouTube channel TechGrantha, and I know without your support, without your love, it can't be possible. So thank you so much for keep supporting me and providing me the blessings and love every things. So please be continue with your love and support on your YouTube channel. And if you have any concern, any suggestions, please comment on the comment box. Thank you so much. So let's see start about today's special discussion on today's special moment. As most of the people know, I did the two achievements, and that is my second big achievements today. The first achievement, what I did is a 2200 subscriber on my YouTube channel few days ago, and today finally this is the second achievement where we got the 10,000 views on your YouTube channel. And trust me, guys, to put the screenshot, it is not the very easy. We need to do hard work, we need to do a lot of patience. And one thing which I realized, just be keep continue your work. One day you will definitely get the success. And on the second part, what I just understood, like, see, all people should avoid the direct distractions. Like, in across the nation, you have the medicine for uh, snack bite, you have the medicine for the dog bite, but if someone else put the wrong sentence negativity on your ears, that have no any solution, that have no any medicine. So just please avoid that activity. Keep learning, keep grow on your activities, try to self analysis, which I am doing every day on the daily basis. And with those changes, today we achieved the second success, and the big achievement is the 10,000 views on your YouTube channel. And the another announcement I just want to tell you guys, like, we also successfully completed 372 hours on your YouTube, and now we reached the 230 plus subscriber on your YouTube channel. So literally from bottom of my heart, thank you so much for your love and for your support. And I will give the better guidance. I will keep learning to you guys also on the future. So we are coming so many of the tools and technologies learning activities. And also, if anyone want the online tutorials, if anyone want online training, you can comment on the comment box. You drop an email to me on techgrantha@gmail.com. I will go ahead and will provide you the knowledge. Okay, so thank you so much, and please keep support to me, and share the videos to your friend and colleagues. And before sign off the video, thank you so much once again for your love and your support. Thank you so much.